Gilbert 2005 states, if we value diversity, then education has to do away with its one-size-fits-all approach and accept that the 21st century of globalization demands a different understanding of knowledge, use, and that this has implications for changing the roles of teaching, learners, and their environment. Now let's take a look at some stats. As we use Facebook as an example, Facebook has gone from a small idea of a college student at Harvard to holding international headquarters, which opened in October of '08. And to date, Facebook is rated the top social networking site among its peers. While the introduction of online learning has spawned from a total of 202 accredited online colleges and universities. Now let's look at the rate of adoption. Facebook adoption rate from August of '08 went from 100 million users to September of '09 to 300 million users. Online learning adoption rate went from 4.6 million in 2008 versus the 3.9 in 2007. But 5 years earlier, in 2002, less than 1 out of 10 students took virtual courses. Looking at the S-curve, both innovations have taken off and are still climbing. And who will we give credit to these innovations? And who will be identified as the agents of change? The next generation of learners, high school students from all walks of life, moving into a virtual learning environment with the assistance of computers, cell phones, and ESNs. But we have to reach and teach those who look to reject innovation. The biggest non-supporters of innovation will be the people who we are counting on to deliver instruction, the teachers. Because technology is speaking a different language to older instructors, the innovation will be under major scrutiny with this group. This problem can be tackled through decentralization approach. Information and learning has to be shared across the system in order to change perceptions and old ways of teaching. That will get us on the road to reaching critical mass. Although each innovation has reached critical mass point individually, the ideas of virtual classroom for high school students utilizing ESNs is groundbreaking and will need the support of school administration for early adoption of these innovations, therefore pushing instructors and learners to the point of critical mass. So let's review the two primary basic needs. Reason one, cost and savings in a bad economy. Reason number two, expanding learning. As the educational system ponders the idea of exploring new ways to deliver instruction to learners, incorporating social networking or Web 2.0 technologies in education could be the next advancement in education. Therefore, both reasons providing enough justification to start turning the wheels to implementing a new way of learning. And that concludes this program. I would like to thank all my viewers for watching Diffusion Network.